Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, jimgraphics. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future upload. Alright guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to design a roll-up banner in CorelDraw. You can use this method for any design. It could be seminar design, convention, church programs, anything. But in this case, we're designing a funeral roll-up banner. You all recall we've designed a paper bag, all right? And like I said, we'll be using the same templates to design the other ones. So this one will be very easy, quick and easy. If you don't know how we design this paper bag, please go and watch this particular video. I'm going to put the link somewhere over here for you guys, all right? So please note that everything I've done here, I've designed them already, so it will be very easy. If you don't understand how we come up with this design, please go and watch the paper bag design. All right, so without any further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Welcome to CorelDraw, guys. So this is the paper bag which we've designed, as you all can see. All right, so like I said, if you're yet to understand the whole concept of this design, please go and watch the first video. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to file, select new. All right, so this is going to come up, so we're going to click on OK. So right about that, guys, if you're new to CorelDraw, please, you can feel free to go and check my beginners class. For those of you asking me where the beginners class is, it is actually on my other videos. Just go to my channel and you will see other videos which I've done. All right, so right about that, to get our size for roll-up banner size is 33 inches by 81 or 82 inches, but for the sake of this tutorial we're using 81 inches. All right, so to change your proper size, go to your property bar and select your drawing unit and change this to inches. Then come over to this and change it to 33 by 81 inches and click enter on your keyboard, and this is basically what you're going to have, guys. So right about that, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to this rectangle tool and draw this way. All right, then I'm going to select this and change it to 33 by 81 inches. All right, so as you can see, the rectangle tool is not the rectangle we drew is not fitted to frame. So to fit it to frame, guys, what you're going to do is press letter P for patience, P on your keyboard. Press letter P this way. Boom, guys, it has taken itself into the frame. So right about that, guys, the next thing we're going to do is, initially you can see we had a black stroke. So to remove that black stroke, come over to this sign over here, right click and select set outline color. For those of you who are asking me for CorelDraw, I've actually set out the link on Instagram. DM me, and if you're DM me, guys, and you are not subscribed, you will not understand anything I'm teaching here. If you're not subscribed, you won't understand. Forget all this big English I'm speaking here. Forget it. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe, then you will understand. We won't have problem. Thank you very much. All right, guys, so right about that, the next thing we're going to do is import all the stock images for this tutorial. So if you come over to this place, I've put out Mockup for you guys. This is the 3 mockups for this roll-up banner, so you can check it out on the down description below. The link is there. Download it. Link is there. Download it. If you're not subscribed, you will not see that link. I'm telling you. I'm not joking with you people. You guys are not seeing my face because I don't know, but these are all the stock images, like I said. So right about that, guys, like I told you, we have designed this, and to get this roll-up banner, since I've designed this already, I don't need to start designing it afresh for you guys to see. So please go and check that video. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically copy this. I'm going to copy this, copy it, Ctrl C to copy. For those of you who have designed it, please do not delete it. All right, like I told you, in funeral, if you have a particular concept which you're working with, please continue using that concept, and the theme, the colors, make it match. Do not do different design for different, the same job. It doesn't make sense. All right, let your funeral program be the same templates. Roll-up, bag, everything, souvenirs, be the same template. All right, so right about that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this. For those of you who are looking for the the files. Look at them here, as you can see. So I've designed it already. That's why I'm just copy this. All right. I'm going to paste it here, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to basically place this here. Right click on it and select power clip inside. Then this arrow is going to come up asking you, where do you want to take me to? Do you understand? The arrow is asking you, where do you want to take me to? So I'm taking it into this frame. So I'm going to left click here, and boom guys, it's in there. So right click and select edit power clip, then bring it over here. So what you're going to do is click on this and change this to 0, and it will change itself to that scale, and leave that to that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to basically click on finish, and once we click on finish, this is what we're going to have. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to this, and I'm going to copy this image. I'm going to copy this image. So for those of you who are asking me for the picture of this lady, please, I'm not going to give you the picture because it's a client picture. You can make use of the ones you have. All right, so please bear with me. So right about that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this image, place it just right here. All right, I'm going to place it just right here. Then once I do that, I'm going to right click and select power clip, place it into this frame. So why are we power clipping into the frame? Because I want every design to be on this shape. All right, so nothing goes out of the frame. So right about that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to bring in this this background. Like I told you guys, everything is here on this folder, so download it and make use of it. So I'm going to bring this one here. I'm going to use my mirror tool and mirror it this way. Then I'm going to scale this one up this way, bring it up. I'm going to bring it up a bit and bring this up this way. So once I do that, I'm going to basically scale this up. Then right click and select power clip, place it into this frame. Yes, of course, some of you might be wondering why this is actually showing this way, like over here. Why is it showing? Yes, you can actually use your common sense. Yes, your common sense and click on this. Once you click on it, click on this image. All right, use your shape tool, and click on this. Like I told you guys, shape tool is actually used to manipulate an object. I don't want to repeat myself again because you guys don't subscribe. It doesn't make sense. Share this video, guys. So right about that, you're gonna just basically drag this over here and close that. That is it, guys. You've closed that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to this again and select my rectangle tool, draw this way, and give it a white color. So once you give it a white color, right click on it and select convert to curve. Shortcut is Ctrl+Q. As you can see, Ctrl+Q. Once you do that, once you convert anything to curve, it has become an object. Like I told you, shape tool is used to manipulate an object. Without that, let me undo it. This is not a shape now. All right, so if I click on my shape tool, you can see the only thing I can do is just change this to this, change this to this. We can't manipulate it. So once you right click and select convert to curve, then you can see you have a node. Now you can actually take this up. All right, cover it, then select this gold ribbon, use shift page up to bring it forward, and boom guys, this is what you're going to have. And you're going to click on finish gently. Don't stress don't stress it. So right about that, I'm going to copy this, place it just right here, and once I copy it and place it just right there, note guys, like I said, I have designed this. We've designed it from scratch. For those of you who are following, and for those of you who are new to this channel, please guys, go and watch that particular video. It's gonna help you. All right, it will help you to understand what we're doing. So right about that, like I told you guys, the client actually said forever loved and forever missed should be on every design. So we're going to copy this. We're going to drag this over here. Just place it just little as that. You don't have to do too much. Don't stress yourself. So we're going to copy this, place it just right here. All right, so like I said, you don't have to do too much. Don't go and be stressing your life. All right, because you're designing funeral roll-up. So I'm going to just delete this one. All right, so I'm going to take this one up, take it up. Don't fear now, take it up. You're scared. Take something up and you're scared. What's that? I don't like it. So we're going to drag, copy this. Make sure I'm just trying to create a space under here. Do you understand? I want to create a space. So right about that, that's what I'm going to do. I've created a space, enough space to accommodate this. So once you do that, just basically highlight this, drag this one, and place it just right here, and leave that to that. You can basically reduce this one and take it up a bit, leave that over there. And basically, guys, this is how we designed this funeral roll-up banner in CorelDraw, right? So for those of you who are confused, please go and watch. You will get the names of the font I used, all right? Everything. Do you understand? So right about that, once you're done and you want to present this to your client, please, the next thing you're going to do is highlight it and go to File, select Export, Ctrl+E, Export. Export. So once you click on export, come to save as type, change it to JPEG. All right. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to just change that to Rollup, and click on export and wait for this to load. Then your color model should be on RGB, and resolution you can leave it to 300, and I think that's cool. All right. So wait for that to come up. All right, so like I said, guys, this is a roll-up banner. If you don't understand, please go and watch my other video. All right, so this funeral roll-up banner I have two concepts for it, but initially we designed two concepts and the client actually approved the two, and we printed the two concepts. So after this, I'm going to show you guys how we made the second concept. All right. But that will be on the next video. All right, so if this is actually heavy, you're going to cancel this. You can actually cancel it. I'm going to show you how to, because this is actually heavy. It's like 7.3 feet. So copy this. All right, you can actually create a new document, paste it, put it on A4, and actually this is actually a presentation, guys. We're not printing this yet. So you can put it on A4 so to easily export it. So come to File, select Export, shortcut is Ctrl+E, roll-up banner as name. All right, then save as type JPEG, then click on Export. Then you can see how fast that will take you. All right, like I said, if your file is heavy, you can see it has loaded immediately. If your file is heavy, design on inches. And if it's large, please reduce it. Once you're done and you want to go and print, please, you can actually, scale it up. So this is it. Click on OK. Now come to this file. You can click on any of them. This is Mockup 1, Mockup 2, Mockup 3. So I'm going to just click on Mockup 1. And this will take you direct to Photoshop. And boom, guys, this is what you're going to have. So for those of you who are complaining that this is not opening on your file, please, you can use or DM me. I'm going to send you my recent Photoshop or CorelDraw to use, my own software. You can use it. DM me on Instagram, and please, if you're not following me, do not DM me. No DM, no even try. No try. Nice one. So you can see in Photoshop we have this thumbnail over here. Double click on it. This thumbnail over here. Now you will see this. So uncheck this. Now come over to your desktop, copy or drag the ones you have, drag it over here. All right. So once you drag it, just wait for it to load. As you can see, it's loading. I don't know why it's taking time, as if it never chops since morning. All right, so you can actually bring this and drag this just right here. I've taught you guys how to use Mockup. So once you do that, you can basically drag this here. Click on this, check over here. I don't know the name, once you're done, close this project. Save change to the Adobe Photoshop document project before closing. Before closing, it's asking you a question. Is it a yes or a no or cancel? The answer is yes. Yes, to replace the one you have already. And boom, guys, check it out. Check it out. This is actually how we made this funeral roll-up banner in CorelDraw and Mockup in Photoshop. All right. If you have any question, please don't forget, drop me a comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, share. If you like, don't share. If you like, subscribe. If you like, don't subscribe. That don't concern me. What I'm telling you is that if you're not subscribed, you won't understand. It's 50-50. If you subscribe, you understand. If you don't subscribe, you won't understand. So choose one. Choose wisely, man. Choose wisely. So guys, I'm not threatening you guys. You understand or you understand. So see you guys in my next video.